Good morning everyone. So it's not a watch review today, so we're going to be doing just a quick video about where the cigarette lighter is on a Mercedes. This is my Mercedes C300 2020 edition. Yeah, so I'm just going to quickly show you where it is. You might be looking inside here for it, but it's not actually in this part of the car. Like, it's not here, it's not in this section or any part of this dash. It's not inside here or anything like that, just addressing some of those sort of myths and stuff like that. It's not underneath the seat or anything like that, or where the feet are, or in the glove compartment, anything like that. But you can find it in the back seat, so in here. So just where these vents are, if you go underneath, you see it's got a little dial here, and these vents. Just underneath, you've got a little pouch, almost like another glove compartment at the back. So you got this one here. Just drop that out, and you've got your cigarette lighter here. I've never known what this is for. If anyone could tell me what that's for, drop me a comment. Yeah, I've just always wondered what that is. But that's where you find your cigarette lighter. So it's in the rear of the centre console, just here, just underneath where the vents are.